And good evening now. We begin yet again tonight with the coronavirus as coroners across the Midlands fear they could soon be seeing death rates increase as the numbers continue to spike. As Eleanor Tabone explains, cases and hospitalizations are up, and that usually goes hand in hand with a rise in fatalities.
I am concerned. When I look at the numbers for August, we're going to see some huge spikes in Richland County.
COVID cases are swiftly increasing across the nation. South Carolina, a hotspot. DHEC confirming 2,399 new cases today and one death.
I think we're going to see a spike. I think it's going to cause us some great strain here on our resources in Richland County.
Richland County Coroner Nida Rutherford fears higher rates of COVID-19 along with low vaccination rates could increase the number of COVID victims coming through her office.
Coroner's office never closes, and so it puts such a huge strain on our staff when we have these spiking cases, because not only do we have COVID cases, we also have the regular deaths that happen.
According to Rutherford, COVID death rates were extremely high January through to March this year.
We had about 30% of all deaths for Richland County being COVID related.
Her predictions for the coming months:
I think it's actually going to be worse. We now have variants of the virus.
We are still on standby, ready for fatality support if they need those resources.
Sabrina Gass from the South Carolina Coroners Association says they're ready for COVID-related death spikes.
Certainly a concern because it's over and above what we would normally see. It can put a strain on our ability to take care of those decedents.
Fortunately, we were hoping that people that were unvaccinated would follow the CDC guidance, and we didn't quite see that.
USC Assistant Professor of Epidemiology and Biostatistics Melissa Nolan says the combination of unvaccinated people not adhering to CDC guidelines, travel and the Delta variant is the reason we're seeing this COVID surge.
The fact that we're already at elevated numbers, if we don't get a handle on COVID right now, it could get even worse once the winter months come around.
In Columbia, Eleanor Tabone, News 19 WLTX.
Well, tonight, the CDC is recommending vaccinated people wear masks, while unvaccinated people should keep their mask on at all times. They're also asking people to continue to practice social distancing and to wash their hands frequently.